Hi, I'm Lisa with iHeart Pacific Northwest. In this video, I'll show the setup process for camping in my Honda CR-V, including how I set up the interior and the canopy that I attach to my car. Links for all of the gear shown in this video is in the description below. I start by assembling the bed platform at home and installing it in the car. Then I load all of my gear for the drive to camp, making sure to maintain visibility for driving by stacking items on and next to the bed platform and in the footwells and front passenger seat. Once I'm at camp, I start by setting up the canopy. This is the REI Trailgate shelter, which is a bit of work to set up, but I like the amount of space it provides for my camp kitchen. In windy conditions, I also stake guy lines on the sides of the shelter. For my camp kitchen, I start by adding an outdoor rug, then set up my camp table, making sure it's level. Next, I assemble my camp chair and then add my water container, cooler, and kitchen bin. Lighting is added next, including hanging a lantern and adding a light string around the perimeter of the canopy. This propane fire can from Ignic adds warmth and campfire ambiance to my setup. Next, I set up the interior of my car, starting with installing window covers for privacy. I also add window screens so that I can leave the windows cracked at night to help improve ventilation inside the car. Then I set up the bed. I make sure the mattress is fully inflated, then add my sleeping bag. This is a Zimbivy bed with a sheet and quilt that connect together. For a space to sit inside the car, I raise the back passenger seat and add a Backseat Organizer with a tray table. Finally, I add string lights to the interior of the car. Now I'm ready to spend several days camping with protected spaces to cook and sleep. Thanks for watching.